Chapter 2. Working with Windows 10. Windows 10 is a graphical user interface, GUI, which means we do not have to remember all the commands. As it is a GUI, just a click of the mouse is needed to get work done. It allows us to run several programs simultaneously. Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10 are the most popular versions of Windows. Windows 11 is the latest window. Windows 10 Desktop. As soon as we press the power button on the computer system, it sends the message to RAM and starts activating the operating system. This process is known as booting. Windows welcome screen appears when the operating system is still activating. The final screen which appears after booting is the desktop. The desktop in Windows 10 is main interface between the user and the computer. It has several components such as Start menu, taskbar, background and icons. Start button. We can access the Start menu by clicking the Start button. The Start menu has two panes. Left pane displays an alphabetical list of programs installed on your computer, and right pane contains tiles. Icons. An icon is a picture or graphic representation of an application or a file. If you want to open or access an application or a file, just double-click on it. Taskbar. The most important component of the desktop is the taskbar. By default, it is present at the bottom of the screen. It has the Start menu, Open Programs and Notification area. Desktop background. Desktop background is the image that appears behind all the icons. Most computers come with a pre-selected background, but you can change it to any image that you like. Changing desktop background. Follow these steps for changing the background. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and choose Personalize option. The Settings dialog box appears. Step 2. Click on Background option in the left pane. Step 3. Click on the arrow located below the Background option in the right pane. Select Picture option from the drop-down list. Step 4. Select the picture of your choice. Step 5. The selected picture will appear on the desktop. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. We can organize and manage several programs opened in different windows with the help of taskbar. Pin an application to the taskbar. Follow these steps to pin an application to the taskbar. Step 1. Type and search the name of the application you want to pin from the search box. Step 2. Right-click on the application name in search results. A menu will appear. Step 3. Select Pin to Taskbar option. The application icon will appear on the taskbar. Unpin an application from the taskbar. A taskbar can appear cluttered because of pinning too many applications. We can unpin the application to make it look clean and organized again. Follow these steps to unpin an application from the taskbar. Step 1. Right-click on the application icon on the taskbar. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Unpin from the taskbar option. The icon will be removed from the taskbar. Quick Launch Toolbar. Quick Launch Toolbar is created to quickly and easily access the files which we use the most. Follow these steps to create the Quick Launch Toolbar for the new folder. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar and select Toolbars, then click on New Toolbar. Step 2. In the New Toolbar dialog box, Select the desired folder and click the Select Folder button. Changing date and time. Each computer has a built-in calendar and clock. Follow these steps to change the date and time of the computer. Step 1. Open the Start menu and click on Control Panel. Step 2. In the Control Panel window, click on Clock and Region category. Step 3. Click on Date and Time option. Date and Time dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on Change Date and Time tab. Step 5. In the Date and Time Settings dialog box, select the required year, month and day in the Date section. Change the hours, minutes and seconds in the Time section. Click on OK button. Changing speaker volume. Follow these steps to change the speaker volume. Step 1. Open the Start menu and click on Control Panel. Step 2. In the Control Panel window, click on Hardware and Sound. Step 3. Click on Adjust System Volume under the Sound option. Step 4. In the Volume Mixer dialog box, adjust the speaker volume. Let us recall. The desktop in Windows 10 is the main interface between the user and the computer. The screen has several components such as Start menu, taskbar, background, and icons. An icon is a picture or graphic representation of an application or a file. If you want to open or access an icon, double-click on it. The most important component of the desktop is the taskbar. By default, it is present at the bottom of the screen. It has the Start menu, Open Programs and Notification area. Desktop background is the image that appears behind all the icons. Most computers come with a pre-selected background, but you can change it to any image that you like. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. Quick Launch toolbar is created to quickly and easily access the files which we use the most.